Hello guys, I want to tell you that I caught it a virus. It won't expose your location, it won't steal your data or something, but it will only disable you to use your computer. Like, if I press this keyboard control, if I press that thing, it will automatically press caps lock by itself, press control by itself, press alt F4 by itself. To fix this problem, when it will press alt F4, you have to directly press enter. It doesn't matter what happens, even if you sign out, even if you sleep, even if you restart, it will fix. If it didn't fix, press enter again, and also it can automatically zoom by itself. It will happen like this. So that's a bit bad. I mean, the Mediafire folder, also that wasn't a Trojan. There is GTA 5. Wow. Also, where's my file, dude? Cloud files now. Let me go here. Yeah, when I'm recording, it always. So my files, my folders, my files, there has to be an, wow, there has to be recent files. I have to wait. But the thing is that now I'm going to be sharing these wires. Make sure to use VMare, okay? Because it will disable. Why kind of scared? Wow. But it did what it needs to. This is the upload. So I'm gonna copy the link. The link will be in the description. Be careful, it will disable your computer. Also, it will spam over here. You thought it was a joke. It's not a joke. If you have a potato PC, there is no way to save it. It will lag a lot. But if you have a good PC, it won't lag. I mean, you have the chance to save your new PC that is not potato. Just be careful. Bye.